Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sparkle Intel Arc B580 Guardian graphics card. So friends, this model is positioned as a lower tier variant when compared with earlier Sparkle Intel Arc B580 Titan OC, which was released in Japan. So friend, the B580 Guardian demonstrates a focus on balanced performance metric, and this graphics card is built around the architecture that includes 20xe core and 160 XMS engine, and it operates with engine clock speed of 2670 MHz, ensuring that computational tasks are handled with efficiency. And the card features a memory configuration that compromises a 192-bit memory bus and 12 GB of GDDR memory, delivering a memory bandwidth of 456 GB per second. In terms of connectivity and expansion, the unit offers 3 DisplayPort 2.1 output and 1 HDMI 2.1 and the PCI Express 4.0 interface implemented in and into X configuration ensure compatibility with contemporary system with a total board power rating of 190 watt, and the graphics card is designed to meet the power requirement of modern application while remaining within the thermal concentrate providing by the cooling solution. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.